Hello, I'm an applications engineer with Analog Devices, and today I want to give you a quick overview of the Ethernet PHY evaluation solution. The Ethernet PHY software is available to download from the analog.com website. Just go to the ADI 1300 webpage and you'll find the download there. For your evaluation, you will need the evaluation kit, an Ethernet cable, a 5-volt power supply, and 2 USB mini cables. In the evaluation kit, there are 2 ADI 1300 evaluation boards and 2 MDIO interface dongles. So to get started, you need to connect both boards to a 5-volt power supply. That could be a benchtop supply or a wall adapter. You'll need to connect the MDIO interface dongles to the boards and connect the Ethernet cable between the 2 boards. Then go ahead and launch the evaluation software. Note that the evaluation kit documentation is also available in the Analog Devices folder. So there is the datasheet for the product and the user guide. Note that the GUI is intended to be used with the MDIO interface dongles provided in the kit. So we're just starting up here. We've got 2 boards. We don't have the Ethernet cable connected just yet. And now I've just plugged in the Ethernet cable. So you can see the little green LED shows that there is a link up between the two PHY devices. Over on the left, you can see the configuration of each device. The user can change lots of things in the PHY, restart linking, and visually see if a link is present or not. So you can see there, I've changed it to just have 100 base TX full duplex link. The 1300 has the capability of advertise mode or forced mode, so the GUI gives you a lot of flexibility in terms of what you do. The activity log shows a transcript of what's going on in terms of reads and writes, and you can save this information if you wish to. You can also export or save registers, and you can do the various resets of the PHY. So we've just done a reset, we've set the board back to its original, it's linked up again, and now we're in a 1 gig link. The GUI also allows you to have a look at the various register settings and change them as needed. You can also do a direct write in this tab as well, or read. The next tab allows you to control the clock features. There's a loopback tab that allows you to enable one of the loopback modes. The test mode tab allows you to choose from a drop-down option of various test modes, and the frame generator and checker allow you to enable one device with a frame generator. So how this works: firstly, you need to enable the remote device in loopback mode, and then in the local device you need to enable the frame generator, so that will send frames out through the cable to the remote device, which will return those frames back to the original device where they can be checked. And you can see the progress of the frames in the window and whether there's any errors. The final tab is the cable diagnostics feature. You need to disable linking for this feature to be able to diagnose. So firstly, the cable is connected and you can see the well terminated result over on the right. I've disconnected the cable, so you can see there's an open on all pairs, and the distance to the fault is 40 meters. If I switch to the other PHY and disable linking and diagnose again, so I can see again that the open on all pairs, but on this side it's at 0 meters. Thanks for joining this tour of the Ethernet PHY software. For any questions, simply go to our Engineer Zone site and the Industrial Ethernet Forum. Alternatively, go to the analog.com webpage, ADI 1300 or ADI 1200 for more information on the product.